Hey guys, Chris with Affiliate Tube here, and I just want to talk for a minute about Socifeed, and then I'm going to let you see a full demo of how it works. Brett actually does a full demo of the software and shows you how fast and easy it is to use. But before I do, one thing I do want to mention about this product. First of all, if you're interested in it, there'll be a link directly under this video that'll take you to the official website. But just to give you a heads up, there are 4 upsells included with this product. Now, you don't have to have those upsells for this product to function, for it to work, and to get a lot of benefits from it. But just be aware that you may be spending out a lot more money than you want to, but depending on what you need this product for, if you do a lot of videos, especially with online ads and marketing, or really for any reason, this is a great tool because it can quickly create a bunch of videos for you simply by you typing in a few keywords and clicking a few buttons, and it'll automatically combine all this details together with images, with text, and create a series of videos for you to download and use for pretty much whatever you want to need. And so I'm going to go ahead and let Brett show you the demo of this, and if it's something, like I said, you are interested in, you can still pick up the initial product itself, which I think is like around $27. You can check it out, the link under this video. But I know there's going to be a special on it during the launch period, so if you go there, you'll probably get it discounted if you get it soon enough. But if you wait too long, they are going to increase the price like they normally do on them. So here's the demo, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'm going to show you how to instantly get thousands of brand new videos that trigger your customers' minds, hearts, and emotions so you get more engagement, leads, and sales with Socifeed. So I'm logged into the dashboard, and I'm just going to go up to where it says video and click to create a new campaign. Then I'm going to choose a video background style, and I'm going to enter the tags for the kind of quotes that I want. And so I can choose love, and I'll choose lovers in this case as well. I'm going to choose the number of video quotes I want to create. I can choose the font, or I can have it randomized and choose random font. And then I'm going to choose the type of music I want. Then I'm just going to click create campaign. It's that simple. The software is going to go and create awesome style videos for me automatically. Then once I've created the videos, I can very easily go over here and preview any video I want by clicking on the icon. I can also download any of the videos to use them wherever that I want. Or I can post the video directly to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn right through the dashboard. I just type in my message. I can add a link to send the traffic to wherever I want the traffic to go. And then I click post, and it will post it instantly to my social media accounts. And these videos will autoplay on Facebook and Twitter for maximum engagement, sharing, and clicking. You can see how fast and easy it is to create stunning, hyper-engaging viral videos that everyone wants to view, share, and click. So you get more leads and sales fast and 100% free with Socifeed.